Hey, hello. Today I've got a 1963 AMC M422A1 Mighty Mite. This is an all aluminum bodied utility truck that was designed for the US Marine Corps. And what they did was they would haul these with helicopters and drop them into the field around the Vietnam time. Extremely lightweight. They only weigh about 1,700 pounds. They've got a little V4 air-cooled engine mated to a 4-speed transfer case with shift-on-the-fly 4-wheel drive. They're set up with like an independent suspension. Pretty cool, very rare. This one's been sitting for about 10 years without being run. We put some batteries in it and some gas, and it does start and run. We've driven it around the lot here. 4-wheel drive works good, but before you could use it regularly, it would need some maintenance done to it. Pretty cool, all aluminum body. It's got a few extras there. It's got some little fold-out jump seats in the back. If you've ever been in an Army-Navy store, you got that unique smell. That's what this smells like. "24-volt system. V4, air-cooled. It's set up for water crossings. It's got the high mount air intake, high mount exhaust. It's got some fording valves. Tires on it look almost new, 616. Fuel tank has a dent, and every once in a while you see a drip. Pretty cool vehicle, very, very small. If you're looking for a fun project, this may be it. 1963 M422A1 Mighty Mite, built by American Motors Corporation. If you're interested, send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing. Show up with a trailer and we can drive this up on the trailer for you. Thanks for watching.